Phil, and so I'm back. So, like I said, now it's my newfound obsession to speak about these Instagram pages that everyone needs to follow. So, there is this food vlogger called Amir Foodie Traveler. You know, that's him and that's his. I interviewed him for my Instagram page, and honestly, I've been conducting quite a few interviews, to so that I feature people on my page. But chatting with this young man, I mean, it was like this young parent. I mean, so it was such a nice experience because someone with over 109K followers on Instagram, he was so down to earth, and so when you speak to someone like this, you realize that it is just perseverance and following one's passion that finally yields magic, yields results. So truly, people, if you all are on Instagram, I can't recommend it enough. It's called Amir the food
क्या आपके दोस्त की शादी सेटल हो गई
से
और शादी में
starting.
फूड पेनिंग का सोचे लेकिन आपकी शादी की सूट आपको फिट नहीं होती
So Amir
क्या
Foodie
आपके दोस्त की
Traveler,
शादी सेटल हो गई
and
क्या आपके दोस्त की शादी सेटल
everyone needs to follow this page, Amir Foodie Traveler. So I would have continued speaking, but truly it's like the so considering it's a food vlogging page, the proof of the pudding is in the tasting. So y'all, once you follow this page, you'll realize that with his witty voiceovers, his page in particular truly stands apart from this entire food vlogging space. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.